Over the last few months, I've been considering what the outlook for my future has looked, and I've been looking at my motivations. What motivates me to get up in the morning? Being out, engaging with the public, promoting my ideals, which are the STEM subjects at school, science, technology, engineering and maths, and the promotion of climate justice. While I was making all of these thoughts go around my own head, the conversation in the media has been about the presidency. I was examining what I was looking for in a president myself and the characteristics that I wanted to see in the person that would represent my country for the next 7 years. And all of this time, I've been having people say to me, "You'd make a great president. Would you run for the park?" And initially I laughed off those comments as being not realistic. But over time, I started to make more serious considerations of that role. I sought the nominations of the county councillors. And I think if I'm going to be realistic and honest, my naivety on the political spectrum and on the campaign spectrum, that's where I fall down, and I thought I had more time. But my motivations to serve and my motivations to be the president are solid, and I believe I can do the role.